There are lots of good cars you can buy today, but if you really want the best value, then check out 6 reasons to wait for the incredible 2026 Mazda CX-70. You might think you can't get a fancy driving experience without paying too much, but you actually can. Mazda doesn't just make nice cars anymore, it makes cars that can challenge any premium player out there. Number 6. Class-leading ride quality. Premium experiences extend far beyond luxurious materials and advanced features. They're fundamentally about how a vehicle makes you feel on the road. The 2026 Mazda CX-70 will deliver driving dynamics that rival the finest European luxury SUVs, offering a level of athleticism and refinement that most buyers never expect from a mainstream brand. This isn't just about comfort, it's about engineering excellence that transforms every drive into something special. The suspension tuning represents years of development focused on achieving the perfect balance between comfort and control. Road imperfections are absorbed with remarkable sophistication, yet the CX-70 maintains composure and stability that inspires confidence in challenging driving conditions. Body roll is virtually eliminated during cornering, while the steering provides genuine feedback that connects you to the road in ways that most modern SUVs simply cannot match. What sets the CX-70 apart is its ability to feel both refined and engaging simultaneously. Highway cruising is serene and effortless, with exceptional noise isolation that creates a peaceful cabin environment. Yet when winding roads appear, the CX-70 transforms into something that handles with precision and poise, typically reserved for sports sedans. This duality is extremely difficult to achieve and represents the kind of engineering sophistication that usually requires stepping up to luxury brands. The chassis rigidity contributes significantly to this exceptional ride quality. Every input from the road is processed cleanly, without unwanted vibrations or harshness reaching the cabin. Mazda's engineers have achieved remarkable body control without sacrificing comfort, creating a driving experience that feels substantially more expensive than the price tag suggests. Number 5. Class-leading gas powertrain. For years, Mazda has harbored premium aspirations while operating as a mainstream manufacturer, but the 2026 CX-70 represents its definitive arrival in premium territory. The foundation of this transformation is a sophisticated platform featuring longitudinally mounted engines and rear-wheel drive-based, all-wheel drive engineering configurations that were previously exclusive to luxury brands and premium performance vehicles. This architectural sophistication immediately sets the CX-70 apart from competitors still relying on transverse front-wheel drive platforms. The longitudinal engine mounting enables better weight distribution, improved handling dynamics, and the kind of refined power delivery that discerning drivers notice immediately. The rear-wheel drive bias creates driving characteristics that feel more connected and engaging than typical front-heavy SUV configurations. The star of this premium platform is Mazda's turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-6 engine available in 2 distinct power levels. The base configuration delivers 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, providing effortless performance for daily driving while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. The enhanced Turbo S variant produces 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, transforming the CX-70 into something that can genuinely surprise sports sedans. What makes this inline-6 special is its inherent smoothness and refinement. Unlike the turbocharged 4 cylinders found in most competitors, this engine configuration eliminates the vibrations and harsh characteristics that remind you you're driving a mainstream vehicle. Power delivery is linear and sophisticated, while the exhaust note provides just enough character to enhance the driving experience without becoming intrusive. Number 4. Efficient but capable hybrid. Beyond the exceptional gasoline powertrains, the 2026 CX-70 will offer a plug-in hybrid system that redefines expectations for electrified performance. This isn't a compromised powertrain designed simply to meet efficiency regulations. It's a sophisticated system that enhances both performance and practicality, while delivering genuine environmental benefits. The hybrid system combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to produce 323 horsepower, making it more powerful than many V8 engines from just a few years ago. This power comes with immediate electric torque that makes acceleration feel instantaneous and effortless. The system provides up to 26 miles of pure electric driving range, covering most daily commutes without using any gasoline whatsoever. What's particularly impressive is how seamlessly the hybrid system operates. Transitions between electric and gasoline power are virtually undetectable, creating a refined driving experience that never feels like you're operating a complex mechanical system. The electric motors provide instant torque that eliminates the lag typically associated with turbocharged engines, making city driving more responsive and enjoyable. The efficiency benefits are substantial without requiring lifestyle compromises. When operating in hybrid mode after the battery depletes, the CX-70 PHEV maintains excellent fuel economy while retaining full towing capacity and performance capability. Perhaps most importantly, the hybrid system enhances rather than compromises the CX-70's driving dynamics. The battery pack is positioned low in the chassis, improving weight distribution and lowering the center of gravity. Number 3. Timeless design. The 2026 CX-70 represents automotive design at its finest. Elegant, sophisticated, and completely resistant to the styling fads that make other vehicles look dated within a few years. This is easily one of the most attractive mid-size two-row SUVs on the market, whether compared to mainstream competitors or premium luxury offerings. Mazda's design philosophy focuses on creating vehicles that age gracefully rather than shocking viewers with extreme styling elements. The relationship to the CX-90 is immediately apparent, yet the CX-70 maintains its own distinct character. Both vehicles share the same overall dimensions and basic proportions, but the CX-70's blacked-out exterior trim and unique wheel designs create a sportier, more focused appearance. The result is a vehicle that looks sophisticated and athletic without appearing aggressive or intimidating. The exterior proportions are particularly well executed, with a taut, sculpted appearance that communicates capability and refinement simultaneously. The front end features Mazda's evolved design language with narrow LED headlights that provide a distinctive light signature while maintaining excellent visibility. The grille design strikes the perfect balance between boldness and elegance, creating road presence without appearing overstyled or gimmicky. What makes the CX-70's design truly special is its timeless quality. While other manufacturers chase trending styling elements that quickly look outdated, Mazda has created proportions and details that will look fresh in contemporary years from now. The size relationship to competitors is particularly advantageous. By maintaining the same exterior dimensions as the three-row CX-90, the CX-70 offers the road presence and visual impact of a larger vehicle while focusing on two-row practicality. Number 2. Premium-grade interior that rivals luxury flagships. The 2026 CX-70's cabin represents everything Mazda has learned about creating premium environments that compete with established luxury brands. The interior shares its fundamental architecture with the CX-90, but the two-row configuration allows for enhanced passenger space and cargo flexibility that makes the CX-70 feel more spacious and luxurious than its three-row sibling. Materials throughout the cabin feel genuinely expensive rather than simply appearing upscale. The dashboard features genuine leather wrapping with precise stitching, while real wood and brushed aluminum accents provide visual and tactile richness that most competitors cannot match at this price point. Every surface you interact with regularly features premium materials that maintain their appearance and feel over years of use. The dual 12.3-inch display setup creates a modern, high-tech environment without overwhelming the driver with unnecessary complexity. The infotainment screen provides crisp graphics and intuitive operation, while the digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays that adapt to different driving modes and preferences. Seating comfort and support reach levels typically found in luxury vehicles. Front seats provide excellent support for extended driving, while offering heating, ventilation, and premium Napa leather upholstery in higher trim levels. The second row benefits from the extended wheelbase, providing adult-sized legroom that's rare in this segment. Build quality throughout the cabin is exceptional, with tight panel gaps, precise control operation, and an absence of rattles or squeaks that plague many modern vehicles. Number 1. Unbeatable value. The 2026 Mazda CX-70's greatest achievement is packaging all of these premium features, sophisticated engineering, and luxury-grade materials at mainstream pricing, which makes genuine premium experiences accessible to average buyers. This represents one of the most compelling automotive values available today, bridging the gap between mainstream and premium segments more effectively than anything else on the market, including offerings from lower-tier luxury brands like Acura or Infiniti. Starting pricing around $41,000 for the preferred trim immediately establishes the CX-70's value advantage. This base price includes features that require expensive option packages on competitors. All-wheel drive comes standard across the entire lineup, genuine leather upholstery is included rather than synthetic alternatives, and advanced safety features are comprehensive rather than limited to basic systems. The premium trim, representing the optimal balance of features and value, starts around $46,000, while including equipment that would push luxury competitors well into the $50,000 range. 21-inch wheels, premium Bose audio, digital instrumentation, and panoramic sunroofs create a package that feels genuinely expensive while maintaining reasonable monthly payments. Even fully loaded models demonstrate exceptional value compared to luxury alternatives. The range-topping Premium Plus remains under $50,000, while including features like ventilated Napa leather seats, advanced driver assistance systems, and premium paint options. Compare this level of equipment to established luxury brands, and the CX-70's value advantage becomes impossible to ignore. Perhaps most importantly, this value extends beyond initial purchase price to long-term ownership economics. Mazda's reputation for reliability suggests lower maintenance costs over time, while the sophisticated engineering and premium materials should support excellent resale value retention. Besides this stylish SUV, Mazda prepares a few more big novelties, including the next generation of its compact hatchback. Check out this video about the 2026 Mazda 3 turning haters into believers, which you can now see on the screen. New look, new powertrain, and more sophisticated suspension are just some of the reasons why the new generation is going to impress the crowd even more than the current model.